Hi guys! Welcome back to Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching. In this video, we are going to feature Jian Kang Noodles Franchise Business Package Ideas. Reminder, please watch the whole video to get the important information you need for Jian Kang Noodles Franchise Business. For business owners, if you want your franchise business to be featured here in our channel, please send an email to mikekwentoako@gmail.com. What's in this video? Number 1. Company profile. Number 2. Vision and mission. Number 3. Reasons to invest. Number 4. Major affiliated malls. Number 5. Jian Kang Noodles menu. Number 6. Franchise package. Number 7. Franchise package inclusions. Number 8. Contact details. Company profile. Jian Kang Noodles is a product of Miguelitos International Corporation, one of the elite franchising company known for their quality products and serve as one of the best for after-sales support in this industry. Jian Kang Noodles means healthy noodles, the first in the market that uses steam-in noodles, the traditional Chinese way of cooking. Miguelitos International Corporation has over 600 outlets nationwide. Some are company-owned and the others are managed by franchisees. Their vision. With dedication and professionalism, they aim to become one of the most progressive franchising and manufacturing companies that offers unlimited business opportunities to customers globally. Their mission. Miguelitos International Corporation is committed and focused on creative innovation, developing new products and franchise concepts with high quality, value, and consistency that will exceed their customer satisfaction. What are the reasons to invest? Number 1. Establish standard operating procedure. Number 2. Heavy-duty machines and equipment. Number 3. Complete operations manual and training course. Number 4. State-of-the-art cart and kiosk design. Number 5. With location and recruitment assistance. Number 6. Hands-on training and store opening assistance. Major affiliated malls. SM Mall and SM Group of Companies. Vista Malls and Star Malls. Ayala Malls and Robinsons Malls. Jian Kang Noodles menu. Jian Kang Noodles means healthy noodles, the first in the market that uses steam-in noodles, the traditional Chinese way of cooking. A special sauce formulated according to the real flavors with a twist of Filipino taste to meet your distinction of choices like hoisin, oyster, teriyaki, assorted seafoods, spicy beef, peppery pork, sweet and chili, toyo mansi, and chili garlic sauce. Your craving will satisfy by adding their toppings like pork siomai, shrimp siomai, crab balls, and quail eggs. They prepared to match your satisfaction. Aside from the steamed noodles, they also added a ramen, a soup noodles with a special beef and chicken flavor, a freshly hot serve to fill up your hunger. Franchise packages. They offer a regular cart cost worth 400,000 pesos, and this includes the franchise fee of 100,000 pesos. For the franchise package inclusions, it includes use of trade name and logo, location and recruitment assistance, business permit assistance, machine, equipment, and initial stocks, training and evaluation, operations manual, after-sales support, research and development support, and lastly, opening team support and mascot appearance. For the contact details, you may contact Miguelitos International Corporation with the address 8888 Marian Road 2, San Martin de Porres, Parañaque City, Philippines. You may call them at 02-8822-5028. Their mobile number is 0922-809-9752. You can also send them an email at miguelitoscorp@yahoo.com or info@miguelitoscorp.com. You can also visit their website at www.miguelitoscorp.com/franchising. You can also visit their Facebook page at Jian Kang Noodles. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Jian Kang Noodles Franchise Business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Top 10 Republic, where you will enjoy learning things while watching.